May iba ako ngayon ha, kasi parang ako lang yung nag-acoustic ngayon. So,
the sign of love when you feel like a baby, baby, and you don't know you did. You go along the way to me when things get really tight and you were thinking there's no other way. Well, that's my baby, baby, I'm ready to hear and sing. Now closer to me, come on closer to me. It's the sound of love when you hear your words to believe. Beating in place to see the dark shades blinded by the scenes of peace when everything blew out of proportion, getting out of any control. Make this song be a medicine when you got need to ease. Oh please, now you come closer to me. Come on closer to me. Closer to me. Come on closer to me. When I say it's true, I love you. 'Cause remember, I come close to you. When I say it's true, I love you. 'Cause remember, I come close to you.
I'm here, Max, by the way. I'm from Cebu. Church story lang, no? This is my second time here in Sagiho. Yung first time is 25th anniversary na Ultra Electromagnetic Pop, January 26, 2019, yes. And this is my second time now with this man. As a performer, so what an honor, and thank you Sagiho and to the people na napunta dito, Sir Rian. Thank you. And then, sinong hindi pa nag-swimming this month? Hindi pa kayo nag-swimming. This is your sign! So, sana all! So, ito yung summer song ko na na-release noong May 1. Nasa Spotify na or sa other streaming platforms called Chillax.
Simula na ang ayaw, ako ay nauuaw. Tawagan mo sila ngayon at ikaw. Sakay ka na sa ating van, wala bang naiiwan? Start mo na ang makina, tara na. Stop mo na ang trabaho, chillax na. Mag-enjoy ka, tayo na. Magsiswimming kahit din hanggang bukas yung buong taon. gumawa na tayo ng alaala. Kapag biglang nagutom o murder sa sagiyo, buksan na natin ang saya. Di dapat na mag-alala. Sa tunay na ligaya tayo ang magkakasama. Pare, stop muna ang trabaho, chillax lang. Mag-enjoy ka, tayo na magsiswimming kahit gabi hanggang bukas sa buong taon. Thank you sa tempo, ha. Stop muna ang trabaho, chillax lang. Mag-enjoy ka, tayo na magsiswimming kahit gabi hanggang bukas sa buong taon. Stop muna, chillax lang. Tayo na kahit gabi hanggang bukas sa buong taon.
My next song sa mga mahilig kumanta sa CR, it's called Professional Bathroom Singer.
Professional bathroom singer, slippery on the floor. Be careful what you wish for. I'm about to get a shampoo with a high organic aloe vera for my family. I'm professional bathroom singer, your friendly entertainer. I use my Dove's microphone, sing like you're in front of people. Just do your best, give your best, and soon we will be there. Slippery on the floor. Be careful what you wish for. Singing while we're soaping all over my dead body. I close my eyes, wish that sounded real life. I'm professional bathroom singer, yeah. You're friendly entertainer. I use my Dove's microphone and dance like Michael Jackson. Just do your best, give your best, and soon our time will come. Soon our time will come. Soon our time will come.
Walang tubig. Last one ako. Anyway, shout out to my people, to my sister Michelle Mangilala, to my girlfriend Marie Emily Nasban. Actually, tourist lang talaga ako dito. Nalaman ko na naghanap pala si Sir Adrian na matutugtugan ng artist. And sa Cebu, gusto ko talaga pumunta dito. Kahapon nanood kami ng Into M eh. Iwan ko, ba't ako nadala? Ipangst tayo, hindi na ako. So yun, grab ko na yung opportunity. So ayaw siya. Ayaw muna sa city kasi magulo, ingay. This is songs for you. Songs called Moon Day.
Sounds are fading when no one is understanding how you feel the wonder. Songs that I made between the thunder and loneliness still comforts me entirely. I'm winding us away from my guitar. Troubled times, lots of city lights, far away from world of lies. All we need is to relax. Now it's time. Yeah, yeah. Na 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 na.
Yung mga kinanta ko, original ko yun, nasa Spotify, sa Apple Music, saan ba? Sa Jario, ewan ko. So cover tayo ngayon, last song ko na din. Sino fan ng Eraserheads? Para makakanta kayo, para makawin na nila ako. Songs called With a Smile. Kanta kayo. All the things that could go wrong along the way, you get by with a smile. You can win everything, but you can try. Baby, you don't have to worry, 'cause there ain't no need to worry. Whenever said there's an easy way. There's no easy way, baby. Closing all their doors, they don't want you anymore. It sounds funny, but I say it anyway. Girl, I stay through the bad times, even if I had to fight you every day. Yan yun. Wala tayo.
With a smile.
Thank you so much.